Alright, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to prepare your fillet, your chicken fillet. That's also known as chicken breast. As you can see, I'm going to show you. If it's frozen, this I've already left it in water for some minutes to defroze. So if yours is frozen, you do same thing. All right, so you leave it in water for it to defroze. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it. All right, so once you've defroze it, what you do is you wash. All right, you wash. Just turn your water and wash. All right, it doesn't really need much washing because, as you can see, like I told you, it's boneless. It's boneless. Fillet is boneless. You can see this in supermarkets. All right, so that's just it. It's boneless. All right, so I'm going to add just one cube of chicken. No, all right, just one cube. That's the only thing I will add here. All right. So after this, you stir together. All right, make sure it reaches all of them. Just stir together, stir. All right, you stir with your hands. All right, so after that, you can now place it through your grill stand like this. All right, this is how you fix it in your grill. That's if you're not frying. But if you don't have a grill, you can just use your frying pan. After mixing your one cube, after mixing it, then you can now fry. But I'll be using grill for this. All right, as you can see, I've already fixed it to the grill. All right, all I have to do is to on here. You can see it rotating. The next thing I'll do is to on the gas. All right, that's the gas will heat it up to any level I want. You see it rotating, right? So that is it. But if you don't have money for grill, you can just fry. Like I said, all you need to do is just to add your chicken. No, just one cube, depending on the number of fillet you're using. All right, this is just one. And also I'm going to teach you how to do your costing, so you'll be able to calculate your profit. So this is just how to grill your chicken. If you don't have grill, like I said, you can use your frying pan for it. All right,
on this thing, make it bright.
all right, so this is how you grill your chicken. All right, so what you do is you cut out the parts that are already grilled gradually. You can see this part already cut out. All right, that's what you're seeing here. All right, so this is what you do. Use your knife and cut it out gradually. All right. So what you do is you check for the grilled parts. All right, so what you do is you cut out the grilled parts. All right, cut out the grilled parts. That's how you do it until you are done with what you're doing. All right, these ones are still not ready yet. All right, so it's how to do it.